Question 25. Bobby plans to invest $25,000 for 10 years and is offered two investment options. Option A earns interest at a rate of 5% per annum compounding monthly, and option B earns simple interest at a rate of 8% per annum. Which investment option will provide Bobby with the best return value at the end of 10 years? Justify your answer with calculations. Okay, let's do a calculation for option A and option B. So firstly, let's do A. Option A says Bobby earns an interest rate of 5% per annum compounding monthly. So compounding means we're going to be using the compound interest formula. So the compound interest formula is future value equals present value 1 plus the rate to the power of the period. Now, in this situation, the present value is $25,000. The rate is 5% per annum compounding monthly. So they've given us a rate in years and we want to convert it to a rate for months. So this is going to be 5% divided by 12 to get a monthly rate. And then our N, our period, is 10 years, but once again it's compounding monthly. So if we need to convert 10 years to months, so it's going to be 10 years times 12, and that equals 120. So if we put these values into the formula, the future value is going to equal 25,000 times 1 plus 5% over 12 to the power of 120. And that is going to equal $41,175.24 to 2 decimal places. So this is option A. Option B, it says it earns simple interest at a rate of 8% per annum. So over here, the formula is interest equals principal times rate times period. Okay, so our principal is $25,000 again. Our rate is 8% per annum. So that stays as 8% because they've given us in 8% per annum. In simple interest, it doesn't compound, so we don't have to worry about converting that. And then N, our period, is going to be 10 years. So if we put this all into the formula, I equals 25,000 times 8% times 10, and that equals 20,000. And this is just interest. Now, if we want the full future value, we have to include the principal as well. That's what in part A, when we do the compound interest formula, it includes the principal in the formula. Where in part B, this formula is only the interest. So therefore, principal plus interest equals 25,000 was our principal plus our interest of 20,000. That equals 45,000. So which investment option gives Bobby the best return at the end of 10 years? Well, part B, because part B gives $45,000 where part A gives 41. So therefore, option B gives the best return.